Hi, I'm Anna, and I know exactly what brought you here. I've left the link to the official website for this amazing pillow in the description, but let me tell you something. For a long time, I used to wake up with a stiff neck, back pain, and that awful feeling like I hadn't slept at all, even after hours in bed. I thought it was just age, stress, or maybe my lifestyle, until I discovered that the real problem was my pillow. That's right. After doing a quick search online, I saw that many studies show that the issues we face during the day, like mood swings, constant fatigue, and even overeating, are directly linked to the quality of our sleep. And even more surprising, the pillow is often the biggest culprit. So I decided to try the Derila Ergo, and honestly, it was the best decision I've ever made for my health. Within the first week, I could feel the difference. As soon as I laid down, my body truly relaxed. My head fit perfectly into place, and for the first time in a long time, I enjoyed deep, restorative, pain-free sleep. And here's why. The Derila Ergo has a unique butterfly design that naturally keeps my head, neck, and spine aligned. It doesn't matter if I sleep on my side, on my back, or even on my stomach. My head stays in place, and I wake up without that annoying discomfort I used to deal with every single morning. Another amazing feature is the cooling technology. I used to toss and turn in the middle of the night because of the heat. Now the temperature stays perfect all night long. And there's more. It even helps with breathing. I personally noticed that my snoring decreased, and the hypoallergenic cover makes a huge difference. My sleep feels lighter, cleaner, and irritation-free. Honestly, they managed to create an unbeatable design that really works, and I'm not the only one who thinks so. Thousands of people have already tried it and report the same results. No more waking up in pain, peaceful nights, and even improvements with snoring. It's like turning your bed into a real relaxation spa. And the best part? The Derila Ergo comes with an exclusive guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free and feel the difference for yourself. Or better yet, let your neck feel the difference. But pay attention. The original Derila Ergo is only sold on the official website, which you'll find in the description and pinned in the comments. Don't fall for knockoffs or shady websites. So, if you want to sleep better, wake up pain-free, and completely transform the quality of your sleep, click the link in the description now, check out all the details, and take advantage of the promotions available. And hey, if this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, share it with someone who needs better sleep, and subscribe for more reviews like this.